Welcome back to another episode of the BMW R1150RT trip to the Alps.
Oh, hier rotstanden hebben.
The day begins in Hollersbach, where our tents, pitched in the kindness of a stranger's front garden, hold the last whisper of sleep. But today is no ordinary ride. Today, we take on one of the most legendary roads in all of Europe, the Großglockner Hochalpenstraße, the highest paved pass in Austria, a true pilgrimage for motorcyclists and for me, my first ever mountain pass.
Hallo. Ja, danke. Tschüss.
The entrance to the Hochalpenstraße feels like crossing into another world. The road stretches ahead, curling its way through the mountains, its reputation both thrilling and intimidating. The first few turns are gentle, but I know the real challenge lies ahead. My hands tighten on the grips. This is it. With every turn, the air grows thinner, cooler. The road demands full attention, hairpin after hairpin, a dance between control and momentum. The climb is relentless, but the higher we go, the more spectacular the view. Then, suddenly, the struggle vanishes. We arrive at the Edelweisspitze.
Biker Point, kijk, dat willen we zien.
(2,571 meters above sea level), the highest accessible point of the pass. The effort, the nerves, the sweat, they were all worth it. Before us, a panorama of jagged peaks stretching as far as the eye can see. This is the moment that makes every challenge worth it. Around us, other riders gather, all drawn to this place by the same unexplainable pull. At Fuschertörl we take a break, not just for coffee, but for reflection. We made it. We conquered the climb. Descending the Großglockner is a completely different experience. Faster accelerating, the landscape shifting with every curve. The once distant peaks now tower beside us, close enough to touch. We roll into Heiligenblut, a picturesque village nestled at the base of the mountains. Its iconic church stands against the rugged backdrop, a beacon for travelers like us. As we leave the high Alps behind, the landscape softens. Rolling hills replace jagged peaks. The scent of pine grows richer. We pass through Rangersdorf, then Seeboden, where the Millstatter See shimmers under the afternoon sun. After an unforgettable ride, we arrive at camping Neubauer in Delach, our home for the night.
Nou, van een deur open bij de receptie. Oh, zet hem daar neer. Lekker warm.
Before we rest, there's only one last thing to do. Dive into the cool, crystal clear waters of the Millstatter See. It's the perfect way to wash away the dust of the road and soak in the moment. The Großglockner was everything I dreamt it would be. Challenging, breathtaking, and definitely unforgettable. And yet, this journey isn't over. The road still calls, and I'll keep following it wherever it leads. I see you in the next episode.